But I stay in my zone, look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it.
Off to the show. Alright guys, so we're here. A really nice selection. Not all supercars, pretty cool. Of course you got the Roma, those things are positive everywhere now. You got an I-8 over there. WRX. Got New Country Porsche sponsoring the event. This is nice to tell though. Right here we got an Alfa Romeo 4C. This thing's really clean. Got the mid-engine. Really nice car. Type R's right here. I really like the Type R, being the fact that it's literally in my color of my truck. The WRX, the red Type R, and the NSX. Got a 570 leaving the event. Here we got an 06 Ford GT. Trans Am. Of course, as we're looking for more cars, come across Miata, the stuffed version of itself. And these cars are funny. They're cool as hell though. Bagged Mercedes, slammed absolutely to the ground. I got a beautiful M5. It's one of my favorite M5s. Real nice.
Don't forget rescue. You start that shit up and you just take off. Yeah, you start it up.
And of course, when you go to car meets, you got the WRXs everywhere. It's like a beehive for WRXs. Sick though, I dig them. Got the Camaros. This is one of my favorite Camaros ever made right here. This is sick. And of course, a Hummer each one. Look at that. Straight diesel, beautiful. here we got an orange Evora 400. It's real nice. The funny thing is, if you look at the engine over here, we got a 3.5 liter V6, and it's essentially the same engine that is in my Tacoma, which is funny in my opinion, but stick, because I know how good those engines can sound. Right here we got a really sick car, an S2000. Of course, revving up to 9,000 RPM. Definitely probably my favorite Honda out there. Sick. Right here we got a really nice Type R. This is my favorite color for the Type R, is the blue. Spaced out really nice. Lowered it a little bit. Nice rims. Brembo brakes. Look at that color. That is sick. Very nice. Especially for Honda, this is a very, very nice car. They did a really good job on this one. NSX pulling up. guys, so this is pretty much it for the car show. The car show is about to end. Most of the people are already gone. Right here you got a 430 Spider coming in now. That's actually ours, but it's really sick.